How to use calendars in Maybe. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to effectively manage your appointments. To access the Calendars feature within Maybe, select Calendars from the menu bar. Along the top, you can see that we have a couple of options. You can view calendars, view appointments, or select calendar settings, where you can update your calendar customization fields and preferences. We are going to start in the Calendars tab. Within the calendar view you can select Users. This is where you can view the calendars of all users within your account. You can then select a user, and it will display their calendar. You can even select multiple users, to view several users' calendars in one view. Selecting the Calendars tab. In this view it will list all the calendars that have been created by any of your team. By selecting the Group tab, this will display calendars that are grouped with a team within them. For example, this option is great for an owner or a manager who wants to view the sales team calendar, or a customer service team calendar. When viewing the calendar you can select the type of view. You can view the calendar by day. You can switch to view the calendar by week. Or if you would like to view the whole month, you can select to view by month. We can book an appointment manually on this page. By selecting the Add New button, this will then open up your appointment booking form to complete. To book your appointment, firstly you need to select which calendar you want to book it into. You can choose from a team member's, a named calendar, or a group calendar. Then give your appointment a title. For example, this could be the topic of discussion the appointment is going to be about. Then select the team member the appointment is going to be with. This step is most important when you are booking into a group calendar, as this is where you select which team member out of the group the appointment needs to be with. Now select the date and time for the appointment. The last step is to add who the appointment is going to be with. This can be done in two ways. You can search for a contact that is already listed in your contacts. Once you select the contact from your list, it will list all their information you have for them. Or you can select Add a New Contact. Your new contact created here will also be listed in your Contacts tab within Maybe. To confirm the booking, select the Book Appointment button. You can also book an appointment by simply dragging on the calendar itself. Once you have highlighted a slot on the calendar, the appointment booking form will pop up automatically. Now let's head over to the Appointments tab. The Appointments tab allows you to see the different appointment details in a list view. Here at Maybe we prefer to use this view. In the Appointments tab, you can also create a new appointment. By clicking on the three dots, you can access the information about the appointment, as well as selecting Reschedule, if you need to move to a new date and time. Selecting View Details will give you all the information about the contact and the appointment booking, including the meeting link. Here, you can also access the appointment activity log. This allows you to see if it has previously been cancelled or rescheduled. Within the Appointments view, you can also action the outcome of the meeting by using the drop-down here. You can select whether the contact attended, cancelled or did not show. This is a great tool to help you report on your appointment attendance rate. The Calendars feature within Maybe is a powerful tool for managing your calendar and appointments.